Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today in this very short tutorial I'm going to show you how to share your Notion on Notion. So when you've done inputting your text or whatever you want in here, you can just click on the share button right here on the top right. Now you can very easily use an email, for example, to share your invitation to view your Notion, and also you can adjust your privacy settings right here. So this drop down allows us to share our Notion as invite only, anyone with a link, or at a workspace. So I'm going to just choose invite only. Just like I said, you can type in your email and press invite, and the person will receive an invitation to their email address with your Notion. You can also just press copy link and send this link to a person anywhere you want. As you can see, the link copied. And of course, as a part of sharing your Notion, you can also publish it to the web. So instead of choosing this share tab, you just click on the publish tab on the right, say publish, and from here, as you can see, this is your personal link that people will use to open your Notion. Also, you can set a link expiration date, allow editing, commenting, and then when you've finished customizing your publish settings, just press on view site, and as you can see now, you're taken to your page with your Notion inside of it. Thank you guys for watching. As always, don't forget to press the like button, click that notification bell, subscribe to the channel to not miss the new videos. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one.